Here I have HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. You should keep holding both keys until the EMUI mode pops up. Excellent, this is the EMUI mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down to choose wipe cache partition, press power key to confirm it. The device is formatting the cache files, so the phone is just removing the temporary cache files. Other personal stuff won't be affected. So then when the operation is finished, let's choose reboot system now to quit the EMUI mode and to boot into the normal mode of the HUAWEI Mate 20 Lite. Excellent, as you can see, now you can unlock the device and start using your phone. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.